Hello students, welcome to Geography class. Today we will learn from the subtopic Fruit growing in the Mediterranean lands from the topic People of different regions. We will learn what are the Mediterranean regions, Mediterranean agriculture, location and characteristics and Mediterranean fruits and economic activity. The Mediterranean region, this geographical region includes the Mediterranean Sea and 7 member states, either partially France, Portugal, Italy, Spain, or completely Greece, Malta, and Cyprus. It has specific regional features, a climate of hot, dry summers and humid, cool winters, and a generally hilly landscape. In the map, we can see the Mediterranean region, which is in yellow color. Mediterranean agriculture we can see in different aspects. One is the orchard farming. The world supply of citrus fruits, olives, and figs comes almost exclusively from Mediterranean lands. Fruit farming has long been a traditional Mediterranean occupation because of very special climatic features in Mediterranean areas. These are the citrus fruits grow here. These are different kinds of figs. This is the Seville orange which grows in Spain and olive which grows in Spain and Portugal. Grape cultivation and vineyards. Grape cultivation is a specialty of the Mediterranean region. It represents a very intensive form of farming requiring not only good conditions of moisture, temperature and soil but also much personal care if the grapes are to be high quality. This is the picture of a vineyard. Cereal and vegetable cultivation. In acreage, cereal crops are the most important in Mediterranean agriculture. Wheat, especially hard winter wheat, is the principal food grain and barley is grown in the poorer areas. This is the picture of the wheat crop and this is the crop barley. Limited animal rearing. Mediterranean agriculture is also characterized by limited animal rearing which survives on grasslands available here. Merino sheep and goats are raised here by farmers for the wool. In the screen we can see merino sheep, goat and lamb farming. The fruits on the animals of the Mediterranean region contribute to the economic activities there. So if you summarize the subtopic, we have learned this. The biogeographical region includes the Mediterranean Sea and 7 member states. The 4 main aspects of Mediterranean agriculture are orchard farming, grape farming, cereal and vegetable cultivation, and limited animal rearing. Mediterranean fruits include citrus fruits, orange, olives, and grapes. Class, your diary today is that you will learn the word meanings given in the slides. Thank you so much. This is the end of our class.